Okay, this is the Aspire V5-132p Acer. After we done replacing the keyboard, it was pretty hard to replace the keyboard. You have to take everything apart from the back here. This was the old one right here. This is the old one. Yeah. So we replaced with a new one. Now we're going to do the testing here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 minus equal and backspace. Okay, I think it's working now. Yeah. Q W E R T Y U I O P. Bars and slash, cap lock, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, and etc. and colon. Okay, and Z, X, C, V, B, N, M, bracket, not bracket, what you call that, the comma and the period and slash. Okay, there you go, and the shift and the mouse and everything here is all working fine. Okay, thank you.